Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And we also have a Facebook group site, which you see the link right now in front of you. Plus, it will be listed in the description box listed below. Our February 2023 challenge was inspired by Story by Stacy, which is a story deck of cards broke up into 4 categories: ready, set, go, and bonus, to inspire you to scrapbook those memories and use your scrappy supplies in a creative way. Go check out our Facebook group site to get the details of this challenge. Now on to layout number 1 based on our February 2023 challenge. For layout 1, the Ready Set card is called Friendship, and then it has suggested prompts, and I chose Besties. For my acronym, I made up my own, and it's W.A.A.T, We're Always Together. Stitching, I don't do. Interactive is hidden journaling. Now let's look at my supplies for layout number 1. So I have 1 photograph of my husband with our lab. I have some miscellaneous embellishments in the color of brown, and I have cork, I have metal, I have chipboard, I have die cut pieces. I have my alphas here. I'm going to set them to the right side. I have 2 papers, one full 12 by 12, and then that wood grain is about 8 by 12. Then I have the scrap paper here, and I map my photograph. Now I got out my Creative Memories border punch system, and I get out the one that's like a picket fence, and I'm using French vanilla cardstock from Close to My Heart, and I'm going to punch out my border, and then I'm going to tuck it under that wood grain paper, and you'll see that in a minute. And the paper that I matted my photograph on is an older collection from Crate Paper called the Journey Collection. And if you want to see the details of each of my page kits within my kit, you need to go back to the first video posted February 6th. All right, once I finish tucking in this little picket fence, I will bring in my embellishments. While I'm just a tad a bit ahead of myself, I want to remind you that I will have Becky and Kathy's channel listed below in the description box, so go check out what they've created this Monday from their kit. All right, that big round chipboard piece is from a Simple Stories collection. I don't remember the name of it, but again, if you go to the February 6th video, you can find that out. And if I forgot to mention it and you want to know, just leave a comment in the description box below. I've added a pair of goggles in a chipboard print. Now I am getting out my alpha letters for my acronym, and it's going to be W.A.A.T. I have to MacGyver a J and an L to make my T, and you'll see that in just a moment. Those little metal pieces over to the left have been in my scrappy stash for a long time. They remind me of the, I don't know if you call it, what do you call the propeller of the airboat? And so that's why I added those over there to the left-hand side, and they do stay over there, but just rearranged a little bit to add a third one. So here you see I'm MacGyvering that letter J and the L to make a T. And then I will bring in my little pocket that will hold my hidden journaling, and it's an off-white color. There it is right there, and it's paper. I do ink up the edges using mocha ink from Close to My Heart. And I will show you the hidden journaling. I do ink the edge, and I'll show you the card in a minute, and I put a little paper clip and twine on it so that you can easily pull it out, see? And then I added 2 little puffy enamel circles, one in orange, yellow, and green, which ties into this layout. What else do I do? Oh, I bring in 2 of the cork hearts. Oh, before I do that, I bring in that raccoon, and I bring in a little sticker that says our story. So that's kind of a hint that I have hidden journaling there to the left of my photograph. And then to the right, I will bring in 2 cork pieces, which I do ink the edges using the mocha ink from Close to My Heart. And the final touch is I use my Close to My Heart shimmer brush in toffee to add my splatters, because you know me, if you've been following me, a layout's not finished until I add some splatters to the background. When I use that toffee ink, it gives almost a gold look, a kind of gold silvery look actually, and I love it on that wood grain paper. Now, if I was to splatter on white colored paper, a white background or an off-white background, it would look more brown, but a soft brown. But on this dark brown paper, it looks like gold. I love it. All right. I appreciate you all. Thank you for stopping by and watching this video. I will have 2 close-up shots at the very end, but I would appreciate it if you would give me a thumbs up. That helps bring traffic to my channel so that I am inspiring other people that are looking for inspiration and ideas that you and I may not know. Finally, I want you to get out your scrappy supplies, get out your photographs, and document those memories in a fun, creative way. We would love for you to be a member of our Facebook group site if you are not, and then we would love for you to play along. All the information is over at our Facebook group site, and you could possibly be one of the winners for the month of February to receive a homemade card from us and a small little gift. All right, we will see you next time. Bye.